It's chilly this morning, isn't it, Carolyn?
It's cold. But the farm chores don't stop in the snow.
No, they don't. Look at our girls. They're all so cute. Hi. I think it's funny that they've all just been together. Like at night, they all cuddle up against Padme, which that's the newest addition to our goat herd. Padme is the big Nubian floppy ear girl, and she is just loving life. Got our food. We're gonna give it to our lone pig.
And Boomer.
And Boomer.
Separated out Boomer and our male pig, one of our male pigs, because Padme, who we just talked about, she just had kids and she rejected her kids, which is why we now have her. But it's not good to keep a goat that just kidded with the billy goat. And so we had to separate Boomer out, and then he needed a companion, so we put a pig in here with him. And this is eventually the space where we'll put our cow and maybe another billy goat if we get a wether or something like that. But so this is our bachelor pad.
Yeah, and it's really, really big. I think it's like half an acre that's fenced in.
Yeah, it's a lot of space.
It's a ton of space. So you really don't realize how big it is until you actually come out here and look at it. Like it's massive.
It's just so fun being out here in the snow. We're in eastern North Carolina, so we get like maybe one good snow every couple years. But this is our first snow with farm animals. So it's like extra fun and special for us. Normally we would be inside probably by the fire with a cup of coffee. But
which we're definitely going to do after this.
But we have to make sure that the goats have some warm water. So we got to go inside, fill up their bowls with warm water, and then everyone should be fed and good. We just have to keep making sure they all have fresh water to drink.
Oh yeah.
Because the snow just covered their water and it's frozen. And I don't think it's supposed to get above freezing today. So when it doesn't get above freezing, you have to keep coming out here and breaking their water, breaking the ice on top. And it's a lot of work, but we would do anything for our sweet animals.
Our goats have been kind of funny. They've been cuddling at night with each other, especially around Padme since she's bigger, and so it's just the cutest little thing. Yeah, we love them. Got our pigs out here. They've not really liked the cold too much. Hey Boomer! How we doing? What's up, Jolly? There's their water and their new space. Well, thank you so much for watching our little snow adventure today. We're going to be back up and running on videos, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, all the things. We'd love for you to follow along. So thank you guys.
And we'll see you soon.